Yes, sir. Oh no. Don't worry, sir. My full focus on him. Yes, sir. One security guard with me.
No.
Okay, sir. We are coming. Okay. Hey, Abraham Traore. Hey. The famous wrestler John Cena in my custody. Yes, sir. One security guard with me. Yes, sir.
Oh no.
Yes, sir. The honest security guard with me.
No.
Okay, sir. We are coming. Okay.
Oh no.
Yes, sir. Roll in my custody. The famous boxer John Cena in my custody. Don't worry, sir. One security guard with me. I know John Cena is very sharp, but he can't escape from my custody. Don't worry, sir. The next prisoner in my custody guard with me. Yes, sir. I transfer second cell. Okay, we are coming. Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh no.
The famous wrestler John Cena in my custody. Yes, sir. One security guard with me. Yes, sir. One security guard on with me.
Oh no. No.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh no.
The famous wrestler Big Show in my custody. Don't worry, sir. My full focus on him. With security guard. Yes, sir. One security guard with me. Yes, sir. I arrested during in fight. Yes, sir. I convert in second jail.
Oh no.
Okay, sir, we are coming. Okay.
No.
Sir, where is boxer? Where my fighter prisoner?
Oh no.
Nelson Mandela, South African president, in my custody. Don't worry, sir. One security guard with me. The end is very shocking. Waiting, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The honest guard with me.
Oh no, 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 no.
Okay, sir. We are coming. Okay. Hey, Nelson Mandela.
Oh no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh no, 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 no.
Yes, sir. I am coming. Hey. Hey.
Oh no.
We are standing in front of prisoner with one prisoner.
Most wanted wrestler John Cena in my custody.
Yes, sir. I am alert on duty. No one escape John Cena from us. Yes, sir. We need backup immediately.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes, sir. My security guard have loose motion. We need immediate doctor. Yes, sir. Okay. Where is John Cena? Where is prisoner level? Amen. Okay. John Cena is lying.
Oh no.
The famous boxer of West Indies, Seaman Hatton Stone, with me. Don't worry, sir. Loyal guard with me. Don't worry, sir. My full focus on him.
Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no.
Nelson Mandela, South Africa president, in my custody. Yes, sir. Inspector Hatkanda with me. Yes, sir. Don't worry, sir. My full focus on him.
Oh no!
Yes, sir. Nelson Mandela.
No, 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 no.
Yes, sir. Okay. Nelson Mandela.
Oh no!
Yes, sir. Prisoner in my custody. Yes, sir. John Abraham Traore in my custody. Don't worry, sir. My full focus on him.
Oh no!
Don't worry, sir.
Oh no! No, 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 no.
Sir, we are coming. Okay.